So parenting is certainly something that requires fluidity from situation to circumstance, based on past history with your children, what level of maturity they're demonstrating. But what we want to be aware of is not allowing emotion to influence that. And I love this picture here, because when we look at this picture, we have the big authoritarian barking dog, literally barking orders, leaning in over the puppy. Grrr, right? So that's authoritarian style parenting. And then we have the other dog on the other side who's kind of shying away, maybe backing out, maybe even thinking, ooh, that's too much. I need to take care of or protect this scared puppy. And that would be more of a permissive parenting style. Accommodating versus enabling is something to be very aware of. First, accommodating. What accommodating is our ability as parents to make adjustments, maybe even on the fly, based on the amount of help provided. This doesn't necessarily mean you have to change your expectations, but it can mean that we change how we arrive at the expected goal. Notice your child here. Is the thing that you're asking them to do something that's outside of their capacity? And if so, what are they capable of doing and what might they need some help with? Mm-hmm. Enabling, on the other hand, is doing for somebody something that they can do for themselves. One thing I hear a lot of times is, well, my child's not doing his work efficiently enough, and so I'll sit down and do it with him. And that happens, right? As parents, again, we want to ensure that our children are learning and getting the grades so that they can be successful in their future life. What parent wouldn't want that? But how do we allow them to be successful in their future life if what they learned is to depend on us for their success? So in this, what I really like is to think about scaffolding and using the scaffolding approach. Think about a building and how they build up the levels to get to the roof, to where they want to be, the successful completion. Where are you currently, and what steps are needed to get to where you want to be? In that gap is where the scaffolding needs to occur. Let's allow them opportunities within a safe structure to say, all right, here's the structure, here's what's expected. Why don't you try these 3 things and let me know when you're done? Let's see how those 3 steps go. So we give them a chance to step in the direction of the goal without necessarily expecting them to be successful with the goal just yet. We're working in that direction. And when we think about accommodating and enabling, particularly accommodating, we need to know our children. We need to know their capacity. What do they know how to do? What might they need help with? And so different children need different accommodations